Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Excel Book. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss dynamic replace function in MS Excel. But before that, subscribe to our channel if you haven't and press the bell icon and never miss an update from us. Some of the users, after watching Concat tutorial video, asked us a query, which was how to extract only first and last name and remove middle name from a text containing full name. Hence, in this tutorial, we are going to show how to do the same in a single formula without any additional column workaround. In this video, we are going to use MS Excel function replace with combination of find function. In cell D5, we have already made this long formula that we are going to dissect. The formula in D5 is a replace function. Just a refresher for all those people who are not familiar with replace function. Replace function allows to swap one or more than one character strings with another strings of a cell value. We have previously made a video on the same formula. Check it out to understand the same in depth. Now, in cell C5 we have a name Lee Minho. For example, I want to change the middle name of the name from Min to Bin. We can do the same with the help of replace function. Now in cell H5, let's use the same. We will write equal to replace. In the first syntax old text, we are going to link cell C5. For second syntax start num, we will write a numeric number from which we want to start identifying the position of the text. Here we will write 5 because that's the position from which the word min starts. In the third syntax, we are going to write a numerical value of how many text strings we want to replace. Here we want to replace 3 words which are min, hence we will write here 3. In the last syntax new text, we will write here new text through which we will replace the old text and press enter. We will get the desired output with the changed middle name from min to bin. Similarly, if we want no middle name, we will use blank for syntax new text. Now we will have a new name without any middle name. Here, as you can see the redundant space between the first name and the last name, the same can be removed by using trim function. Now, you can see that formula is not dynamic, which means if we drag this to below cell, it will not give us correct value. Hence, we will use find function inside replace function syntax to make formula dynamic. Firstly, let's discuss find function. Find function retrieves numeric value of the string. For example, we will write equal to find. In the first syntax, we need to enter the text value. Let's write here m. In the second syntax, we will link cell C5. We will get output 5, which means m is the fifth value of the text in cell C5. Now, let's use the same in replace function to make it dynamic. In the first syntax of replace function, old text, we are going to link cell C5. For the second syntax, start num, we are going to use find function. We are going to find first space in first syntax and link cell C5 in second syntax. By doing this, we have fixed the starting position by finding first blank cell in the text. Now in the third syntax of replace function of number of characters, we are going to fix the position of last space of the cell after middle name and before last name using this part. We will use here another find function. In the first syntax we will use space. In second syntax we will link cell C5. In third syntax of find formula start num, we are going to use another find function. Here we are going to use the same formula, that is find bracket open space comma link cell C5 close bracket and add plus sign and write 1. Now close the bracket, now write a minus sign and repeat the same find formula. Close the bracket to end the start num syntax. Write a comma and for last syntax of replace function new text, write double quote and close the bracket. Well, let's now dissect the formula to get a better understanding of what's happened here. In replace functions first syntax old text, we have linked cell C5. In second syntax start num, we have used find function. We have made this formula dynamic since we will always get string value before the middle name. For example, if we use the same for cell C6, we will get value 4. Now, coming to the third string, number of characters. As in previous syntax start num, we were finding cell string before the middle name. In number characters, we are finding the space position after the middle name. In the third syntax, within text, we are giving value start num 4, which is giving us value 8 for the formula part. Now, since we got value 8, we will further use find function, which will further give us value 4. Subtracting 8th value from 4th value will give us 4 as a value. Now coming back to last syntax of replace function, in the last syntax, new text, we will just use blank to get a blank value and press enter. We will get our desired result. We can copy paste the same formula in the below cell and check the formula. Thus, by making replace function syntax start num and num characters dynamic using find function, we have made the formula dynamic and have removed the middle name. So that's it in today's session. If you find this session interesting and knowledgeable, then like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any query, then write the same in comment section below. Thanks for watching.